challenge it. What'd you do differently to your system? You used to run all JL, correct?
Yeah, I added a couple SAZ 2500 sundowns.
Same subs, the W7s?
Same subs, W7 13s. Put a 300 amp alternator in. I've yet to do my wiring, but we'll see what it does today.
What it used to do? 51?
51 and a half-ish.
Oh, he called it 51 and a half. No change. Nope, 51 and a half.
But I mean, it'd be like, you know.
Well, you called your first score.
Yeah, I didn't, when I put the amps in, I didn't adjust it whatsoever. So, need some tweaking.
All knobs to the right.
Exactly.
All right, good luck.
Website, get the little flag and the emblem. But got this new hat, so it says on.
Went up 2/10.
Damn! Go on, player.
He's up 2/10. Sandbagger.